So, what font do we want for our Christmas Scrivener project? Something with lots of tails and scrolls. Might be a little difficult to read, but who cares? 'Tis the season. We'll have to change what we've already typed manually, but I think we should make this the default font too, so all new pages use this font. Of course, that's only for the editor, but it is for all projects. I think Vivaldi looks the part, don't you? We can do that in, you've guessed it, Files and Options, Editing and Formatting. Here we can change our default font for all new documents. Beautiful. No, you can't change it back till after Christmas. Those are the rules. But you know what we've forgotten? The corkboard. How could that have happened? Let's have a go at that next time.